Hi Tesla fans, my name is Ellie and welcome to our facility in West Hollywood, California, where T Sportline customizes cars every single day. Today is absolutely a stunning day in LA, and we wanted to go ahead and pull out 9 Teslas that we're currently working on and just kind of share them with you. Today really is kind of interesting. We see all colors, but it seems to be a lot of black Teslas. We have a brand new pearl white Model 3. We got some Model X's, and all of these cars are being customized from the outside to the inside. Some very extensive, some are very simple that just want our wheels. Anyway, this is what we do, and I wanted to take a moment and share what our facility's like with you, the type of cars that we're working on. Things are changing. Cars get sent to us every single day from around the country. Some of our clients are local, but most of them are not, and they love our work because you know what? We are the world's first Tesla tuner. We have been customizing Tesla cars for the past 5 years, and this month is our anniversary. So thank you so much, everybody in the community, for your support, for your business, and for your trust with your beautiful Tesla cars. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the beautiful builds that we do every single day over here in Southern California.